Guys, welcome back to BrainyBuddies. Today I am going to be solving these problems and telling my viewers how to get the solutions, the laws of exponents used in these solutions, and some tricks. So let's get into the video. Let's solve the first question they have given, which is 1 by 2 power 4 into 1 by 2 power 5 into 1 by 2 power 6. So, have you guys noticed something? Here we have 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 5, and 1 by 2 power 6. So, there's something common. That is, it's the same base. Even though powers are changing, 1 by 2 remains common and remains same in all of these powers. So, there is a law of exponent for that. A power m into a power n will give you a power m plus n. So these are for only two powers, but the same logic applies for three powers like in this question. So a power m into a power n into a power o will give you a power m plus n plus o. So here we can use this law. A power m into a power n into a power o will give you a power m plus n plus o. So just use the same logic given in the first law. This will be found in all of your textbooks and use it for 3 powers, 4 powers and so on. So as it has the same base, we will keep same base and then we will have 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 power 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 power 15. So that is your answer. Very nice, right? Let's move on to the next question. Our second question. Minus 2 power 7 into minus 2 power 3 into minus 2 power 4. So again, like we saw, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. The bases are common and the bases are always same in these powers. What is a power? Power is a combination of exponent and base. Okay. So these are all powers. Power, power, power. So here the powers have the same base, minus 2. And what logic we'll use? As they have same base and varying, which means different or changing exponents, we will just add them. 7 plus 3 plus 4. So this will give you your final answer, minus 2 power 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. That is it. Now let's see third question. So third question is 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 power 4. So here, have you noticed something? The exponents are common. The exponents are same, but the bases are different. So what does that mean? That means it's time for a new law to be implemented. So here we'll implement a law. A power m into b power m will give you a into b power m, which means you just have to multiply these 4 and 5 by 4 and put the same power. So let's see. 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 power 4. That means 4 into 5 by 4 power 4. That will give you nothing but this 4 will cancel and 5 power 4. So if you want to simplify it further, we can calculate 5 power 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. And 125 into 5. which is nothing but 625. So that will give you 625. Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next question. Now the fourth question. Here we have 5 power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 6 into 5 power 3. 5 power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 6. So this in brackets into 5 power 3. So here we'll have to implement a new law. Okay. Just for the simplification of the question, we will have to implement a new law. Whenever we are dividing, okay, so whenever we are dividing like 5 power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 6, we will have to use a law which is like this. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Sorry, m minus n. So that is just like the multiplication that we did of same base and different powers. Here we're just doing subtraction. So a power m minus n. A power m divided by a power n, which means same bases but different exponents, is equal to a power m minus n. So let's implement it. Here we'll simplify this first and then we'll multiply it with this. So always remember guys, whenever you have m and n, do not subtract n minus m. So this is always m minus n. Do not subtract n minus m because n is subtracting m, right? For example, 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. Don't do a foolish mistake like 5 power 3 minus 4. Don't do anything like that. This is completely wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. It will lose you marks in the exam. So you should divide, subtract m minus n, which means the first number and subtracting the second number. So that'll give you 5 power 1, like that. Okay, so let's see. Minus 4 minus of minus 6 into 5 power 3. That'll give you 5 power minus 4 plus 6 into 5 power 3. What is minus 4 plus 6? It is 5 power 2 into 5 power 3, which is equal to 5 power 2 plus 3. So 5 power 5. And 5 power 5 is 3125. It is not necessary to write this, but I am writing for clarity. Okay, now let's attempt the last but not least, the last question. Minus 3 power 4 into 7 power 4. So minus 3 power 4 into 7 power 4. So we have this law, right? A power m into b power m will give you a into b power m. So this will just give you the answer as minus 3 into 7 power 4. That is your answer. And the answer is minus 21 power 4. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and feel free to comment in the chat box if you have any other maths or science topics that you want me to explain, and any other problems that you want me to solve or explain. So, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.